Hello friends, JD here from Rescue Metals and Equipment. We'd like to announce the winner of our first giveaway. We have a special guest today to help pick a random winner and hopefully join us for future giveaways. We call him the TIG. He is a mystery. We don't know his name, no one does, and we don't want to know. He's a professional welder fabricator, and his job is simply to fix, repair, and repurpose items that engineers didn't get right the first time, and occasionally choose contest winners. Whoa! Hey there, buddy. Thanks for joining us today. You want to pick a winner for us? Congratulations to James Huston, the winner of our very first giveaway. Make sure to follow us on social media for future contests and information. And remember that every metal needs a hero. Bye-bye!